Everyone, welcome again in the Codersarts in the project idea series in Android. So, this video we are going to learn about the new idea, which is a food wastage reduction in Android application idea. In this video we are going to learn about the new idea, it's known as the food wastage reduction Android. So, let's move to the next slide. Here is the introduction. Food wastage is a precisely global issue for the significant economics, environmental, and the social implication protection. College students being a crucial demographic can play a vital role in addressing this problem. So, if you are in the college, so it will play an important role if you have a demographic application. So, you can play a vital role in addressing this problem. So, introducing a food wastage reduction in Android application is solution to design and empower user with tools and resources to minimize the food waste and promote the sustainable consumption habits. Let's move to the problem statement. What is the problem statement here? Despite of efforts to combat food wastage, it remains the preserving issue, and significant amount of the food is being discarded unnecessarily. So, lack of awareness, inefficient food management practices, and limited resources contribute to this problem as well, and particularly among the college students. So, there is a problem like where some of the people are wasting a lot of foods in this nowadays. So there is a basically some of college students also like they are facing some food waste resources. So we are also provide a lot of efforts. We also try to do to combat about regarding to the food wastage. But it is not going to work. So it remains with the preservation issue. So with the significant amount of the food being discarded. Let's move to the water solution that we have found to this problem. So this is the solution overview. The food wastage reduction Android application offer a comprehensive platform to user track their food consumption, receive reducing waste, and adopt the sustainable food management practices by leverages features such as food inventory tracking, recipe suggestions for the leftovers, and the portion management system, and the app aims to empower the user to make the informed decision to minimize the food wastage effectively. We are going to produce some solution here. We can just keep track of the application, track of the foods that what we are going to use, what the consumption our body needed to the food. So we are going to minimize the food wastage and also have some recipe suggestion for the leftover. Like what the food are leftover, we are going to create some more foods some more foods of the leftover food which we have previously leftover. And we have also implemented the portion management, like what is the portion of the food that each people has wish to be consumed. Let's move to the next screen. So what are the key features like we are going to implement in this application is food inventory tracking, enable the user to record the track food items they purchases, and helping them to monitor the consumption and resume overnight and reduce the overpack. Like if we don't need anything, we don't need to buy it from the market as well. And recipe suggestion provide the user to recipe ideas suggestions utilizes the leftover ingredient and the perishable items before they expire. In this, we are going to provide some recipe solutions and suggestion so that the people are going to use it and for the leftover foods. So what is the portion management here? We are going to offer it the portion management section as well. So offer a guidance on the portion size of meal planning, prevent the overeating and minimize the food wastage. As I say in the previous slide, in the solution overview, like we are going to use the portion management system, the guidance and the size of the meal planning according to the overeating. Like fat is the major problem of overeating and minimize the food wastage. So that's it in this portion management. So what is the storage tips we are going to provide here? So we have also in a fragment known as the storage tips. Provided tips to the recommendation on the proper food storage techniques to extend the shelf life and reduce the spoilage. And we also going to a discussion forum for the community engagement, facilitate the user to interact through the community forum. so they can discuss any of the thing in the community forum, and where the user can share the tips, recipes, and the experience related to the food wastage reduction. So everyone is going to share their experiences across related to the food wastage reduction. So so if you have any project, or if you need any assignment help in your college type of, or if you wanted to build a food application, food management application, so you can also just drop a mail on the contact@coderas.com, and we are always here to help you. So thank you, everyone.